Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Tones, and I'm a producer from LA. And right now, I want to give a huge shout out to Chappell. Now, this guy knows everything, and literally, when I say everything, I mean everything about the Facebook ads. This guy has literally showed me everything he knows, every trick in the book on how to basically run more effective and cost efficient and get a better ROAS with my ads. Previously, before him, I used to run ads kind of by myself at one point, but I did hire on ads agency, and basically they did a pretty good decent job, but I wasn't really getting the return that I was expecting. And at the same time, I was kind of bleeding, and I didn't really know how to maneuver my way or exactly what it is that I was looking, or the type of data that I had to read and kind of build on. But now, after taking his 2.0 Facebook ads course, this guy's information is just like gold now. It's like it's priceless. You just don't even know how handy it would actually come. Just to kind of give you an example, I went from actually investing, only $600 this 1 week, and in return, I ended up getting, 1,100 back. Now, to you, it might not seem maybe like a huge thing, but for me, running my ads for the first time and actually knowing exactly what I'm doing and what I'm looking at and just building from that, it's huge. Because now I can actually raise comfortably $2,000 and know, hey, I'm gonna get a 5 times return on that. So if you guys are actually looking to, make money and build on your music and whatnot, and don't know exactly how to do so, hit up Chase, take his ad course, or be, part of his mentorship program, and trust, the sky is the limit with this guy.